In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate an image from a text prompt in Artistly AI. Once you're logged into Artistly AI, go to your dashboard and open the image generation tool. Next, you'll see a prompt box where you can type your idea. This is where you describe exactly what you want the AI to create, so be as clear and detailed as possible. For example, you can type something like futuristic city skyline at sunset, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed buildings, flying cars, wide-angle view, highly realistic style. After entering your prompt, you can adjust any available settings such as style, aspect ratio, or quality, depending on what Artistly AI provides in your interface. Once everything is ready, click the Generate button and wait a few seconds while the AI creates your image. When the results appear, you can review different variations, choose your favorite, and download it directly to your device. If needed, you can refine your prompt and regenerate for better results. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.